Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy here from the best place to buy gold online. I've been having a fantastic day. So the other day I just tried to do a quick video on the invisible bank robbery and how the bank steals your wealth through one, fractional reserve banking, and two, the deposit insurance. However, that video got cut off, so I'm just going to redo that now. So fractional reserve banking. To explain fractional reserve banking and how they debase your money through fractional reserve banking, I'm just going to give you this quick example. So let's just assume that you have a £100 deposited in your savings account and the bank have a 12-to-1 ratio. So for that 12-to-1 ratio, they're able to lend out and create £1,200 from your £100 deposit. And they're going to give you a 5% return on your £100 through interest in your savings account. So from that £1,200 that they lend out though, they charge the person they lent that money to, bear in mind they've created this out of thin air, 10%. So they charge 10% interest on that. So from that £1,200, they've earned £120 and you've only earned £5 through your 5% interest. So that's how fractional reserve banking works. So not only have they created the money out of thin air, they've also created money through interest out of your deposit. So that's just another way that they screw you through the bank. So the deposit insurance. So the deposit insurance in this country is the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or something like that's called, the FSCS. And it is put in place by the banks, the very, very big banks that caused this crisis in the first place. You know, the HSBC, your Barclays, your NatWest, your RBS, those banks, they've set it up. And it's there to restore confidence in the banks. And I think this is one of the biggest reasons we didn't see so many bank runs from the year 2007 to 2009, you know, that crisis period that we had. And why are we not seeing so many bank runs now? You know, although there's so many banks that are in trouble, they're highly leveraged and they're failing. And it's because of this deposit insurance that people keep their money in there. They think, oh, well, that's right, it's insured, I'm safe. But it's really just there to keep confidence in the bank and to make the banks look good because all the money's stored on their bank balance sheet. So, you know, it really boils down to confidence with everything that that everything to do with the banking system, the financial services, the monetary system, everything is to do with confidence. So if you've got any sort of savings in the bank, I highly encourage you to look at other assets that you can put that money into. I mean, gold is one of them. And, you know, it hasn't failed for 5,000 years. So, you know, that's really why I trust gold. So that's just two examples as to how the bank can screw you. And now they're actually looking to introduce negative interest rates. So that's another way that they can screw you, by actually charging you to store money in the bank account. So that's just really part of the financial education that you need to actually just pay attention to and actually learn this sort of stuff. So you can become, like Peter Schiff says, you can get ahead of the curve. It doesn't really matter if you're early. It's better to be early than late. So if you can get yourself ahead of the curve, I highly encourage you to go pick up some books. You've got Robert Kiyosaki's books, Mike Maloney books. You've got The Hidden Secrets of Money on YouTube. Just go and educate yourself with this sort of stuff and understand how the banking system works and how they're actually screwing you, how they're debasing money, and really how you're losing your purchasing power through the banking system. So I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to like, comment and share. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like my page, which is the best place to buy gold online. I share a ton of information over there. Also, my YouTube channel as well. There's about 100, 150 videos over there now that I've produced, all on this subject: financial education, gold, silver, and money, and just and fiat currencies as well. You know, I explain it all over there and how it all works. And really just to provide you value and just to wake people up, just to realise that, you know, we are being screwed everywhere you look. So, again, like I said, I hope you got value. If you did, feel free to like, comment, share. And thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.